The Cora Split model is one of Daikin's popular models. It's available in heat pump and cooling only.
The Cora capacity range starts at 2 kilowatts, which we perfect for a small bedroom, all the way up to 9.5 kilowatts, which is great for a large family room or open planned house.
With Cora, you now have the ability to precisely control the temperature in your space, right down to half a degree increments.
A few years ago, before we moved in here, we were renting a place and it had a Cora unit installed. It was really good because it basically did everything that we needed it to do, and it was really, really reliable.
Since our kids were getting bigger, we knew we'd have to find a bigger place for them, and we looked around for a while and we eventually found this place and moved in a couple of years ago.
We really loved the place. The only downside was it had this ratty old air conditioner that just was useless on a hot day. That was the one thing we knew we were going to have to replace. We remembered that we had the Cora unit from the old place and we really, really liked that.
Yeah, we missed it.
Yeah, we just weren't sure if they had one that would do the capacity for heating and cooling that we needed for this place because it was so much bigger. So that's when we called our local Daikin specialist dealer. He came round, had a look, and said that they had one with the capacity that could do the job we needed, and here we are.
On days when the humidity is high, end users can enable the dry function, which will allow the unit to rapidly remove moisture from the space, therefore leaving you cool and comfortable. Our filtration technology is also sensitive choice approved by the National Asthma Council of Australia. Daikin Cora series is available with a 5-star energy rating performance.
The Cora uses the latest R32 refrigerant, which has been brought out because it has the least global warming potential.
When the nighttime quiet mode is activated, the indoor unit will deliver whisper quiet operations ideal for nighttime quiet use.
Yeah, sometimes we have friends and guests stay over. When they're sleeping at night, it takes the level of the aircon down so it's more quiet for them to be able to sleep and it's a bit more comfortable for them.
The 2-area intelligent eye function has 2 features. First feature being when the room is not occupied, it will detect no movement and then shift the set point for a more efficient operation. Second feature, it will detect where you are in the space and either blow airflow at you or away from you.
Being a busy parent, getting the kids ready for school in the mornings, getting myself ready, packing lunches and bags, sometimes I just rush out of the door and completely forget to turn off the aircon. And I only realise when I get to work, and obviously it's too late.
So I did some research and found out that you can control the Daikin air conditioner via an app using the D-Mobile adapter. So we got in contact with Daikin and got them to come out and install that for us. It's just made life so much easier. We weren't sure what was going to happen with the bills, but we actually used the new unit more than we used the old, and our bills are actually less.
For more information, visit daikin.com.au.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and follow us on our Facebook channel as well for more helpful updates.